To add a new language in PrestaShop, start by accessing the PrestaShop website. You can use the demo version for a trial setup, or download and install PrestaShop on your device for a more permanent solution. Once you're set up, you'll see the dashboard on the left side, featuring sections such as Sell, Orders, Catalog, Customers, Customer Service, and Stats, with an Improve section below that includes options like Modules, Design, Shipping, Payment, International, and Marketing. To add a language, navigate to the International section by clicking on it and selecting the drop-down arrow. From there, click on Translations under the Localizations category, which also includes locations and taxes. In the Translations section, you can modify existing translations, add new languages, or update current ones. To add a language, click on the relevant option and select the language you prefer, which can be an alternative to English. The process allows for easy management of languages within your PrestaShop setup.